Hi and welcome to TM UK Trading, car dealership in Hornchurch, RM11 3UB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump start the Toyota Prius. I'm just showing you one key as a sample. So all you do, you can actually open your key from here and manually unlock the car if your car got locked. So then you can actually unlock it and twist it over. Open your bonnet from there underneath, and then once the bonnet is all opened, there's a booster jump start here, because you can't access battery. It's in the back boot, and the back boot, when the car is locked, you can't access there. So all you do is just, there's a cover for the fuse box, you just press that and it opens up, and then this is the positive terminal that you need to put the positive terminal. So the red one goes in red. The common mistake people make, the handle, so this side is the wire, this has to be on touch this metal, because the other side of fuse is not metal. There's no electricity. Metal is a conductor of electricity, so if you put it this way, it's never gonna start. If you put it this way, that is right, because the wire is on this side. If you put it this way, it's never gonna start. So make sure, this common error that people make, is a common mistake. This wire side should be on the metal. That number one thing. Number two, this is the earth wire. You can put it anywhere. You just need the earth. So it can be this metal, it can be any bolt underneath. So let's say I'm gonna use that underneath. Okay, so as soon as you put this way, turn on the booster or jump back, whatever you have, overdrive. Now the car will start. Thank you for watching this video. Again, TM UK Trading, we got over 320 cars in our stock. We sell them, we rent them. We got an MOT center, car wash, PCO cars. We got big numbers, Jimneys, 2025 brand new cars. You're warmly welcome to visit us. We got a branch in Birmingham as well. Thank you.